Hey, I'm Braden from the tech department with Lethbridge School Division. We're at Lakeview doing a computer teardown with some of their classes. We're just trying to show the kids kind of what the inside of a computer looks like. They can get used to tearing some things down, taking some screws out, and if they enjoy it enough, maybe they can put it back together. Some of them have been successful, some have been rather destructive, but overall it's been a pretty good learning experience for them. It looks like they've had fun too. I think, first of all, just like an introduction to computers in general. They can see the components inside and they see that it's not overly complex. A computer can be scary and intimidating, but they can see the pieces and we'll give them a brief overview. Maybe they have a new interest in computers, go to CIT or computer science or something like that. Basically, we want to give them a quick overview of the pieces inside, a kind of quick starting instruction on how to take it apart, and then we just leave them to their devices and give them the screwdrivers and tools they need, and they can just kind of dig in, have fun, and make an enjoyable experience rather than kind of proctored and bother them with it. They seem to have fun. They've definitely noticed very quickly that it's easier to take apart than put it back together. Some more destructively than others, but it seems like overall they've enjoyed the experience of seeing something new that they don't usually see. I really hope that they do get more interested in computers. This is more of the hardware side of the programming, but I think, like I said before, people can be intimidated by what they don't know. So if the kids can see inside of it and they can see that it's a little easier, hopefully that sparks an interest in just continuing their education in kind of a technological sense.